Next, assemble these three. The main materials used. This glue sticks. Cut it at an angle like this. Look at this egg. After finding a position on the first blue round, first find the positions where the two ears can be placed. Use this one first. Determine the position. On this blue round, go through to the back. Okay, after placing, take out the other one. Find the position first. Here, need to go through to the yarn strand at the back, into the same stitches. This hole. Pull through. Then make a knot at the back here. After knotting, leave a bit of yarn tail and cut. Use scissors to tuck the yarn tail inside. Adjust it. Then, for these ears, take out the glue stick again. Or if you have a hot glue gun, it's more convenient. Apply the ears. Just a little glue at the bottom is enough. Glue to your desired position. The other side is the same. This egg is already done. If you have blushed, you can apply a little blush to make it cuter. Apply vertically in the center of the rabbit ear position. The chick is the same. First find the eye positions. Then also the same. Use the angled side. Apply a little glue here to attach the eyes. Arms. Can directly glue them to the side. Or use our needles to sew them on. First find the correct position. Then insert the needle from here to a little behind. Insert the needle. Then from the adjacent stitches, go into the same hole. Then make a knot. After knotting, leave a bit of yarn tail and cut. I will hide the yarn tail in the seam. The other side is the same process. Then attach the comb. Also the same. Directly at the top. Insert needle to the back. Insert one strand first. Then the other stranded at the front. Go to the same position. Then knots at the back. Leave a bit of yarn tail and cut. Now the feet. The feet should be on both sides. Slightly visible from the front. Or attached directly like this is also okay. Same method here. Using a needle, or directly glue them on at this position. After finding the position, also go into the same stitches. Make a knot. The other foot, same method. After both feet are attached, assemble the rabbits. Rabbits also first find the ear positions. Go to a hole at the back. Place the other one at the same position. Go into the same stitch. Make a knot. Pull it a bit here. Then apply a little glue. Same, attached. First, fix the eye positions. Take out the black yarn again. First, find the mouth position. If shaped like this, insert from the bottom. Then come through from the side. After going through, leave 2 stitches in the middle. After coming through, the middle 2 stitches, coming through between the stitches. Then go through. Go through the upper yarn strand. Press it, press it. Then at the bottom, go back to the stitches where you started. Make a knot. The rabbit can have a little blush to look nicer. These 3 pendants are done.